Bhuneshwari, and really thank you so much those who are subscribed my channel, and those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, then only you get it more related about our videos. Now, I'm going to tell about the green leaf vegetable presence of omega fatty acid. Before going into the video, I'm taking one question for you, that is green leaf vegetable only presence of omega fatty acid, rather than what are the benefits will be present in the green leaf vegetable. You have to leave it in the comment box. So now, the green leaf vegetable is a presence of omega fatty acid. Yes, absolutely. Green leaf vegetable is a good source of alpha linolenic acid. Is a one part of the omega fatty acids. Yes. If you consuming like 100 gram of spinach, that is the presence of 370 milligram of the omega fatty acid. Yes, absolutely. And also the one research paper that tell like that, actually they given the green leaf vegetables to the hypertension rats, the number of 50 rats. They given the hypertension rats of green leaf vegetables like colorant leaves and purslane in Tamil, that is parupukire, and also with these sweet potato leaves that is given to the hypertension rats. After the 4 weeks later, they found that it will be reducing the cardiovascular disease and also be the hypertension, and also it decrease the total saturated fat and increase the polyunsaturated fatty acid in the green leaf vegetable to the hypertension rat. This all the amazing facts will be there in the green leaf vegetables. And also in the DASH program, that is the dietary approach for stop hypertension, they found as African and American diet, they such as the colorant leaves, they consume colorant leaves that will be reduce of hypertension and other the chronic disease. In the green leaf vegetable presence of so much of beneficial will be there, rather than it is a one part of the green leaf vegetable presence of omega fatty acid. Actually, you have to tell in the comment box that is the green leaf vegetable only the presence of omega fatty acid, rather than what are the beneficial will be there in the, you have to leave it in the comment box now. And also, if you see like that in the Mediterranean diet, they are consuming more, that is the green leaf vegetables, and vegetables are consuming more, so that it is reduce the cardiovascular disease and diabetes and hypertension. These are the amazing facts will be there in the green leaf vegetables. And also there are so much of children and also adolescents, they are not to consume to eat like green leaf vegetable. Yes, really, of course of me also, I'm not too like to consume green leaf vegetable just like my mom is making like that in the poriyal, and I don't even do to eat like that poriyal because of that taste such as like that. So rather than you have to consume green leaf vegetable to stick it off one, you have to make differently. Such as you make like that, take green leaf vegetable and also grind it in the mixer and make a puree. You make in the like wheat flour and add it in the puree, and add some green gram dal and rajma flour, whatever you have to add it, and vegetables. Okay, vegetables, and then you have to make like the stuffed paratha, stuffed green leaf vegetables, like that you have to make it like that. So it is also very amazing to make like this. And also we really those who are watching, parents, really of course you have to make like this. And really thank you so much those who are subscribe my channel, and those who are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, then only you get it more related about our videos. And thank you so much, and stay tuned with me. Bye bye.